Hello guys, you can now access my content on my website right now, Yapzor.com, where you can get to access my books, my writings as in terms of the articles and other writings that are going to be coming up in the future. So you just go to Yapzor.com and you'll have it. So you have the feature picture. So this one the books you can get to download. Other books are there, you can explore more. Recent articles, one of my favorite quotes. We live in a society where fishes are worried about how much they can't climb trees and monkeys are busily taking swim lessons. You have my recent post and even content from my YouTube channels where you can reach out to the main YouTube channel. You go to joyabzo.com/books and you get the books. And if you want to download any of them, they are free. And you have the paid ones that may be coming up soon, but for now it's free. Just click the card or download in case you've not downloaded it. So when you click download, you enter your email and you have two options. One is to download for free, the other is to support the writer. If you want to support my writing in any way, just you can do it 10,000 times, 20,000 times. And you can also reach out in case you want to support. But on the website, you can simply do that by just clicking support writer and you have that. But if you don't want to support, it's very fine. Just click download and you have the PDF available to you at no cost of yours. So this is the platform. Thank you very much for your support always, and I hope we utilize this platform and also work towards making much more impact in the future. Thank you and see you on the website.